Okay, so this question is 21a, and it was to describe this part of the psychoanalyst training when they gain experience working with patients. We've actually seen this question before, so this was a question that came up in our end of topic test, so I was quite surprised to not see full marks for this. So again, what we need to do is we need to differentiate between what we know in terms of gaining experience and what we know in terms of skills, okay? So, in order to gain experience, the key thing that they were looking for in this answer is the idea that you have to have supervision of a qualified psychoanalyst. So, if you are a psychoanalyst and you are going through training, you can't gain that experience without being supervised. You can't do that training without being supervised. So on the mark scheme, supervision is the bit that is the most important, okay, because it puts you apart from just being somebody who is not in training, okay. So obviously we talked about the idea that psychoanalysts, you can do psychoanalysis without having the training, but if you're doing the training, in order to gain that work experience, you have to be supervised. It then asks that you extend that and elaborate on that by adding one of these 2 points, okay? I've added both of them into this answer just because I wanted to make it an A-star answer. But the trainee would spend 2 years carrying out psychoanalysis on 2 of their own clients under supervision of a qualified psychoanalyst. These sessions would be carried out 4 to 5 times a week for 50 minutes. The more information that you can remember and that you can put in, the better. Because at in terms of the mark scheme, it says an elaborated point would be 4 to 5 times a week for 50 minutes. It doesn't just say 4 to 5 times a week, okay? So you need to train yourselves to be able to reel off this information 4 to 5 times a week for 50 minutes. Most of us did really well on this, but a few of us tripped up.